Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Karim and this is Healthy Review. We're going to be reviewing honey, not specifically the orange blossom honey, but honey in general. If you guys don't know what honey it is, what kind of honey is, well, honey is an extract of bees. They basically go into flowers, they remove the nectar, they digest it in their bodies, and then they spit it out when they get home. Okay, you know what? Eating bee spit doesn't sound appealing, but honey's got a ton of benefits. You know, in the Quran, Surah 16, verse 69, we have a verse that says, "There emerges from their bellies a drink," i.e. honey, you know, that's in brackets, varying in colors, in which there is a healing for mankind. Indeed, in that is a sign for people who gave thought. You know, this is a verse from the Quran. And you know what? Honey has so many benefits. Not specifically this honey. This is a President's Choice Orange Blossom honey. Usually the best kind of honey is grown locally. By grown locally, I mean like, you know, taken locally. At your local honey producing place, it is a honey that's raw. Raw honey is the best. You can actually get black honey, it's good. And it does come in varying colors. And the Quran gives this high praise. And you know what? I give it high praise too. You know, honey helps with health benefits. If you have high cholesterol, it helps lower your cholesterol. If you don't have enough good cholesterol, it helps increase your good cholesterol. This helps weight loss, it helps your body, helps your immune system, helps wounds and cuts, helps so many things, and it tastes good. You can eat it raw, bruvs. Sorry, I didn't mean to go like that. But anyway, you know what? This honey, not this specific honey again, I'm talking about honey in general, but honey has so many benefits, and it's mentioned, bees are mentioned not just once, they're mentioned multiple times in the Quran. That is how much high goodness comes from honey in general. Well, anyway, my name's Abdul Karim, this is Come to Goodness. Check out honey. I'm going to leave you with a list of the benefits that come from eating honey, because honey has a list of benefits. I urge each and every one of you, go out to your local store if you don't have some in your house, buy some either organic or, you know, raw honey if you're able to. This is all I could get at the time because it was winter when I bought it, but now obviously the place is opening up where you can actually get some raw honey, which I'm going to get soon. I'll do another video. Yeah, honey, it's good for you, tastes good, and you know what, it's all around good. And here's a list of the goodness. Well, there's my list of goodness. Thanks for watching. Remember, as ever, I'm Abdul Karim. This is Come to Goodness. Remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and come to goodness. Are you coming? Yes, over this way. Okay, come.